Hey guys, and welcome to Golgotha. This is the first time I've seen this on the Steam Marketplace. It looks really interesting. It's about what I believe is a haunted train station. Lots of people have died and stuff in it, so we're just gonna go ahead and get straight into it. I know this is a shorter video game, so this shouldn't be too long of a video. In 1942, Blackwater Station was overcome by a toxic and poisonous fog that killed thousands of people as they slept in the tunnels and platforms of the station to escape the war. After the horrific ordeal, the authorities closed the doors to Blackwaters and sealed it off to the public. In 2003, the station was officially reopened to the public, but after several freak accidents and unexplainable deaths, it was once again closed for good. It has been abandoned and undisturbed for over 20 years, until now. Alright, looks like we're in. Okay. So we got some papers. Explore the station and find the exit. Press tab for inventory. 1 to equip lantern. Escape for the pause menu. Looks like here's our lantern. Okay. Looks like the out's right here. But I could be wrong. That thunder's a little scary. Okay. Do. Okay. Hold on. Can we go in this other bathroom? Nope. It's always the women's bathroom. Okay. Go into the one open stall. Good morning, Terry. We understand that you are aware of what happened on Thursday evening. Everybody here at Blackwater Station is immensely devastated after hearing the news on what happened to our beloved friend and colleague, Bobby Fletcher. We understand that you were good friends with Mr. Fletcher, and we cannot imagine the emotions you are feeling right now. The management team are willing to offer you time for grieving if necessary, and time to reflect away from the work environment if required. Please don't hesitate to come and speak to us if you have questions or concerns. Thank you. Kevin Smith, General Manager. That's a little spooky. Man leaps in front of the train. Oh. Well, that's a pretty graphic photo. Okay. A man was struck and killed yesterday evening at 4:56 p.m. on the eastbound platform in Blackwater Station. The man barged past commuters and threw himself in front of the train, and upon impact suffered a severely broken back, multiple fractures, and a tremendous amount of blood loss, resulting in his demise. A middle-aged commuter known as Annabelle Walton was stabbed to death by her husband in the early hours of Monday morning in Blackwater Station. Miss Walton was heard conferring by many other commuters and staff members with her husband as they headed toward the main line to board the train at 8:45 a.m. As they approached the second set of escalators, Mr. Johnson pulled out a pocket knife from his coat and stabbed his lover repeatedly in a fit of rage. Passerbys came to aid the lady as she bled out heavily on the floor. She was aided by a doctor who was on his way to work, but after all of his efforts, she succumbed to wounds and died in the station. That's pretty wild. Okay. These ambient noises are really freaking me out. Okay. Can I open this door? Nope. Ooh, radio? That's freaking loud. Holy crap. Okay. Well, we're gonna keep moving. Spooky. There's probably gonna be a ghost or something. It's gonna scare the McShizzles out of me. Yo, the chair. We've got the chair. Oh, yeah, baby. And the drinking fountain. Oh, baby. Security card. Okay, wow. It's always that security card. Okay. Ooh, a door we can open. It's the loading screen. Holy cow. Looks like it's all just photos of the station. Oh, we can read this one. The first train to depart from Blackwater Station, 1906. Okie dokie. Okay. Do 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 do. I'm quite literally scared. What the freak, bro? Keep on marching, boys. Can I go through? Oh, baby, I can. Trash can! Yeah, baby. Got some bottles. Yeah? I haven't gotten any emails or anything though. Okay. Looks like this is where the one lady was killed. Okay. Oh, baby. Oh, that trash bag looked like a person. What the freak, bro? Oh, but we can go in? What was that? That just scared the ever-living poop out of me. The frick? Oh, we got the security card. Okay. I don't know why people make horror games. They're just not fun, not cool. They're scary, and I don't like to play them. I want my mommy. Bro. What the freak? course you need a key, bro. Now to walk all the way back to that freaking door. Forgot to say, but if I get jump scared, the video ends. Do 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 do. Come on, surely there's a ghost. Was there this long of a twisty turny hallway when I first came down here? Do 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 do. Jeez, this is such a long walk back. Boo boo doo boo. Goodness. Is there a sprint in this game? I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I mean it. Okay, now. Okay. This game, bro. What the heck? Can I leave yet? I'll like this. I'm not gonna say the other half because I'm not a weeb. Please don't be freaking loud. Bro, what? We're just gonna close the door. What? Tell me that isn't a person. Bro, what? Who the frick are you? Ghost? 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 Ghost. Oh, we got the officer donuts. Bro, that thing is definitely alive. What the freak, bro? Can't tell if that's me. Like, that's definitely someone. I don't think you guys are ready for this.